Do you know what nutrients are and why they are important for our body? Well, nutrients are substances needed by your body to function properly, grow, repair itself, and maintain good health. There are 6 major types of nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Each plays a unique role in keeping you healthy. Carbohydrates are your body's main source of energy, fueling everything from your brain to your muscles. Foods like rice, bread, and potatoes are rich in carbohydrates. Lack of carbohydrates can lead to fatigue and weakness. Proteins are the building blocks of your body. They help repair tissues and build new ones. Foods like meat, fish, eggs, and legumes are high in protein. Protein deficiency can lead to muscle weakness and impaired immune function. Fats, despite their bad reputation, are essential too. They provide energy, absorb vitamins, and protect your heart and brain health. Healthy fats are found in foods like nuts, seeds, and oily fish. A lack of fats can lead to dry skin, hair loss, and poor vitamin absorption. Vitamins are vital for warding off disease and staying healthy. They each have specific roles in the body. For instance, vitamin A is crucial for good vision and is found in foods like carrots and spinach. Vitamin B helps the body convert food into energy and is found in foods like whole grains, beans, peas, and lean meats. Vitamin C is essential for skin health and is found in fruits like oranges and strawberries. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium and is made by your body when you're exposed to sunlight. Minerals, including calcium, iodine, and iron, are crucial for various bodily functions. Calcium, found in dairy products, is necessary for strong bones and teeth. Iodine, found in seafood, is vital for thyroid function. Iron, found in red meat and spinach, is necessary for the production of red blood cells. A deficiency in these minerals can lead to diseases like osteoporosis, goiter, and anemia respectively. Roughage, or dietary fiber, aids digestion and is found in foods like whole grains and vegetables. Water, the most essential nutrient, aids in digestion, absorption, and transportation of nutrients. A balanced diet is key to getting all these nutrients. It includes the right proportions of each nutrient according to your age, gender, and lifestyle. However, cooking methods can cause the loss of some vitamins. For example, boiling vegetables can cause water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C and B vitamins to leach out. Therefore, it's recommended to eat a variety of foods and cook them in ways that preserve their nutrients. Deficiencies in nutrients can lead to various disorders. For example, lack of vitamin A can cause night blindness. Vitamin B deficiency can cause beriberi. Lack of vitamin C can cause scurvy. Vitamin D deficiency can cause rickets. Calcium deficiency can cause weak bones. Iodine deficiency can cause goiter, and iron deficiency can cause anemia. In summary, nutrients are vital for our bodies. They provide energy, build and repair tissues, maintain good health, and ward off disease. A balanced diet, rich in all nutrients, is key to leading a healthy life. However, it's important to be aware of nutrient deficiencies and their symptoms to ensure you're getting all the essential nutrients your body needs. Remember, your health is in your hands. Eat well, live well. Let's take a step further and learn how to detect the presence of some nutrients in our food. For carbohydrates, we can use the iodine test. When an iodine solution is introduced to food containing starch, the solution changes color, indicating the presence of carbohydrates. For proteins, the BioRay test is used. Here, a solution changes to pink or purple when it comes into contact with proteins. And for fats, the grease spot test is commonly used. If a food item leaves a translucent spot on paper, it's a clear indication of fats. These simple tests can help us understand the nutrient content in our food better. So next time you're curious about what's on your plate, you know what to do. Stay tuned, stay connected with World of Biology for more information and updates. Thank you for watching.